How to remove unused items using the Purge command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to remove unused items using the Purge command in AutoCAD. The Purge command will allow you to remove unused named objects, such as block definitions and layers, from the current drawing. You can only remove one level of nested references at a time. Repeat the command until there are no unreferenced, named objects. Type Purge in the command line and press Enter. You can specify what types of unreferenced named objects you can remove, including block definitions, detail view styles, dimension styles, groups, layers, line types, materials, multi-leader styles, plot styles, shapes, text styles, multiline styles, section view styles, table styles, visual styles, registered applications, zero-length geometry, empty text objects, and orphan DGN line style data, or all of these. To purge specific items, expand the item type and choose the items to be purged. Then click on the Purge All. Maybe you need to click on the Purge All many times to purge all items.